Looking for a toner cartridge that delivers crisp, professional quality prints without constant replacements? The Brother Genuine High-Yield Black Toner Cartridge Twin Pack TN762PK promises exactly that, offering up to 3,000 pages per cartridge and a total of 6,000 pages in one convenient package. What sets this twin pack apart is the value it brings. Printing twice as many pages compared to single cartridges means fewer orders and less downtime. For anyone juggling busy schedules or managing office supplies, this multi-pack solution cuts hassle and keeps your workflow smooth. Designed specifically to work flawlessly with Brother printers, the TN760 cartridges produce sharp black and white laser prints that stand the test of time. Whether you're printing reports, contracts, or important documents, the quality remains consistent and professional every time. Beyond performance, Brother takes environmental responsibility seriously. Their toner cartridge recycling program offers an easy, eco-friendly way to dispose of used cartridges. This commitment helps reduce waste while supporting sustainable printing practices. The TN760 Twin Pack is compatible with a wide range of Brother printers, including models like the DCPL2550DW, HLL2350DW, HLL2370DW, HLL2390DW, and several MFC series. This broad compatibility ensures you get the right fit for your device without guesswork. Users across the United States consistently praise the genuine Brother toner cartridges. Many report better print quality and reliability compared to off-brand alternatives. In fact, even offices that tried cheaper replacements quickly returned to Brother's original cartridges for their superior performance. If you value clear, professional prints and want to avoid frequent cartridge changes, this twin pack is worth a look. It's a straightforward way to keep your printer running efficiently while maintaining excellent output quality. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? Consider the Brother Genuine High-Yield Black Toner Cartridge Twin Pack TN762PK. It's built to deliver more pages, sharper prints, and peace of mind. Try it when you're ready.